guys, welcome back. Not welcome back, but hi. I'm going to show you how to make your own JoJo's Bizarre Adventure skin by a paper craft right here. So first, I'm still trying to draw the template, which is actually pretty easy. You just need to print out a drawable template. Just like this. And then who cares about these ones? You can just scribble them if you like. Sorry, the camera went all blurry. And also, by the way, I don't know how to say it. I think it's like shout out to that guy or something that you say, but shout out to Delive. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. And I hope you watch this video, so. As you can see, the right fit is like this. So it's just going to be really easy. And as you see right here, it's just a little brown. Once you do that, you can move on to the thing that next. So kind of like this, the right arm. So the right arm is like this. Oh yeah, also shout out to Wolfbuster and one of my favorite animators. The odd one that is out. Some of you may know him, and I'm not very. This is one of my other favorite animators, which is Plausible Mackay. And I just love him. He's awesome. He's awesome at his animating. For me, he is, at least. If you guys don't like him, you don't need to watch him. But please subscribe to him if you like his videos. And you're also gonna need like a skin color. These markers are awesome. These are like the first like Crayola markers that ever exist in my life. They've lasted the longest and they just work very well. But yeah, I also like Wolfbuster. He's the one who actually made this template. He made the first. He actually made the first. He actually made the first template for it. Sorry. It's just hard to have me holding you. While I do this. And so, there, basically we're done. And here's our JoJo's Bizarre Adventures template. Here's the head. I know it looks yellow, but I've been using a tan marker. And this is literally what the skin color looks like in real life. Like on camera, it just looks like it's yellow. Seriously, it looks like it's yellow right now. But it's actually not. And let's just get on with it. Hold on. I'm trying to find something so that I can hold you guys up.